Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this look inspired by the 2019 Pantone color of the year, that is Living Coral. So if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget that there's a button down below that lets me know you liked it, so click it if you did. And also, if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe with the button in the corner or down below for new videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so if I look really tired, that's because I am. And to start this look, I'm going to prime my face with the Primark Vitamin Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Kiko Skin Tone Foundation. Concealer, I am using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Concealer. Powder, I am using the Revolution Pro Pressed Finishing Powder. For bronzer, I'm using the Berange Makeup VIP Sun Bronzer. Okay, so this is a pretty standard base, and now for the first coral product. I am using the Cien Highlight Powder Rouge in the shade Secret Lovers. This is from Lidl, and this one has a very pretty coral color. And it also has a slight shimmer to it. For highlighter, I am taking the Kiko Lip Me Lot highlighter, and this is a gold shade that I thought would go nice with this look. Okay, so that is my face done. Now I'm gonna move to my brows. And I'm gonna do them with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. Okay, so I just went on and did one eye off camera to kind of see where I wanted to go with it. And to prime my lid, I'm taking the Ucanbe eyeshadow primer. And for eyeshadow, I'm using the delancey Nocturne eyeshadow palette. And to set the primer, I am going to use the shade Moonlight. For transition, I am going to use this shade Memories. Now on my crease I'm going to take this shade Earth, and I'm starting slowly and building up the color. Then I'm going to pack on my lid the shade Tipsy, that is kind of a satin coral shade. And I'm going to deepen up my outer corner with the shade Silence. For the color on my lid, I am going to take one of the Kiko water eyeshadows, and this is in the shade 218, that looks like this. And for this one I'm using a wet brush. And I am packing it mostly on the inner half of my lid. Really pretty. It's got almost a gold reflex, and I'm going to blend the transition of that color to the brown with a little bit more of the shade Tipsy. Then on my lower lash line I am using again the shade Earth, and then a little bit of the shade Silence close to the outer corner. To finish the eyeshadow, I'm going to take on my inner corner and brow bone the shade Wheatfield, and also a little bit onto the lid. I'm just going to do quickly the eyeliner and mascara off camera, but for that I'm going to use the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline, the NYX Epic Ink Liner for eyeliner, and then finally the Kiko Extra Sculpt Waterproof Mascara. Okay, so these are both eyes done with eyeliner semi-similar, and now moving on to the lips. I am taking the Kiko Smart Fusion lipstick in the shade 411, and this shade is called Coral. This is a very simple lipstick. It's very creamy and shiny, but what I like to do with this is take a gloss on top. And this is the Kiko 3D Hydra lip gloss in the shade 09, and this is called Soft Coral. This just really adds a very beautiful touch. To set this look on place, I'm using the Primark Fix and Perfect setting spray. So this is the look complete. I also added these earrings that I bought on AliExpress. These were like €1.50 and they're really pretty. And yeah, I mean, I really like to use coral tones, especially now that spring is here. So let me know in the comments below what do you think of this look, and let me know if you like this shade. And then also, if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps me a lot, and you'll have new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!